Good day, my name is Matewana Eni. I am doing my final year at the Central University of Technology, Bachelor of Electrical Engineering. Today I am going to present my project. The name of the project is a fire detector system. The purpose of this project is to build a fire detector and alert system that can measure temperature, smoke level, and can also detect the flame presence. This project will help the early detection of fire hazard and can trigger actions that can prevent damage. In this project, I used a DHT11 to measure temperature, a KY026 flame sensor, and an MQ2 smoke detector. I used a relay that will turn on the LED, and I used my here is my Wi-Fi module that will collect data from the sensors and send it to the cloud. I used my Arduino. I have my LCD that will display the status of the sensors, and also I have my servo motor that have to rotate to open the door or the windows. So now I am going to demonstrate how the project works. So in this project, I am expecting my 3 sensors to sense. The temperature sensor is going to sense if the temperature is above 22 degrees, and if there is a flame sensor, that's going to be sensed by a flame sensor. And also I have my smoke sensor that is going to smoke. So what are the conditions? The conditions are that if these 3 sensors, they're gonna work together and they detect that there is a smoke level that is above 500, and also there is a flame presence, and also the temperature is above 22 degrees. And now from there, I am expecting them to, if the conditions are all met, the relay, it helps to turn on the LED, and then the servo motor helps to rotate, and also the LCD status, it helps to say fire is detected. But if the conditions, the 3 conditions are not met, the LCD have to display no fire detected. Now I'm going to demonstrate how the project works. So I'm going to power. Okay, now the circuit is on. I have connected it to the laptop. Here is our code that will run the circuit. Okay, now the LCD, since the conditions there is no fire, the LCD is now displaying no fire, and the temperature is still 16 degrees. The smoke level is 481. So now I have to make fire and see if these 3 sensors are going to detect that, and then I am expecting to, if the 3 conditions are met, I am expecting the LED to turn on, and also the buzzer to give out the. So now I am going to make the fire and see if the 3 sensors can work together and make the buzzer to be on, to make sound. I have to put this candle closer so that the temperature can increase. Okay, now the temperature have increased to 24 degrees and the smoke is still on 400. The LCD is displaying no fire because we haven't made a smoke yet. So I'm going to burn this tissue so that we can have the smoke, and we're expecting the buzzer to make sound. You see now the smoke level is now above 500 and the temperature is above 22 degrees, and it displays the fire is detected. So here's our fire sensor. So if I remove the smoke, you see the smoke level, it is less than 500 degrees. It is less than 500, so that is why the buzzer and the LED are off. But the moment the smoke increases, it says fire detected. So this is how we're gonna know if we have fire in the building, and then our servo is going to rotate. So after the 3 sensors have detected that there is fire, I am expecting the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module that is connected to the Arduino via serial communication to send the real-time data of temperature, the flame, and the smoke to ThingSpeak using the HTTP GET request. This allows the remote monitoring of data, logging of environmental conditions of early fire detection.